Okay, everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to be looking at this big boy, which is the full Windsor or the double Windsor knot. It's quite a formal knot and it can be quite wide. So follow me and you will have the perfect knot for a formal occasion. First of all, pull your collar up, do your top button up, then grab your tie. Now, the thing that you're going to need to know, first of all, is that the flat sides of the tie are facing out and that the thin end is going to be super short to start with because we're going to need to use a lot of length in this thick end to wrap around. How long and short, I can't really tell you because it will depend on your neck size and the length of your tie, but you may have to do this a couple of times and then you will figure it out. But the first thing you want to do is to take the thick end and cross it over the thin end and then hold it with your thumb and forefinger. You then want to take the thick end and bring it around the back and then tuck it through the big hole in the middle. The tie should then hang the wrong way round, directly down. And what you'll see is that's created a little shoulder in the tie. And we're going to make one on the other side now by bringing the tie to the opposite side and pushing it through the middle again. It's created a little sort of heart shape here. And then again, the tie is hanging back to front, directly down. You can then take the tie to either side, but I like to go to the opposite side and bring it across the front. And that's creating the front of your knot. And then you bring the tie from behind through the hole in the middle and tuck it through that knot the single bit of fabric at the front that you made. And you're going to want to give it a good pull because you want to get as much of that fabric through because, like I said, you're going to need as much of this as possible. And then squeeze the bottom of the knot as you hold the thin end and bring it up to your neck. And there you have the full Windsor knot. So there you go. That is the full Windsor knot. It can be a bit of a tricky one, so I hope you've managed it. If you have, then please give the video a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'd also like to know in the comments where you are watching this from. I've probably taught 20 million people over the internet how to tie a tie, and I love hearing where you guys are watching this from all over the world, and I try to reply to all the comments, so please do that. And enjoy wherever it is you're taking this knot. If you like my tie, come and visit us at reefknots.com. These are all made from recycled plastic. It's a product that took me 2 years to develop, so hopefully you will like those too. Anyway, thanks again for watching and we will see you soon.